Welcome. Now we will see Vodafone share latest news today. Actually, Supreme Court, due to a Supreme Court order, Vodafone Idea share has come down to 20% down. It is due to the Vodafone share latest news today that Supreme Court order it has come down. Now we will see what will be the upside or downside targets rather. Presently, it is 1 hour chart. We will see. You can see it is below my supply zone 1. You can note down 11.21, 10.62. Below there is a heavy demand zone at 9.46. So it is a very good support. If Vodafone share breaks down below the heavy demand zone, it may come down to 9.08, my demand zone 1. You can see this arrow mark yellow line. It is a multi-year trend line. Multi-year trend line starting from 2019 and 21. If you join, it is a multi-year trend line. I believe this will be a very strong support for Vodafone Idea, and there is a heavy demand zone also coincides. Then if at all it breaks down Vodafone Idea share, it may come down to my stop loss hunting bull line. It is nothing but stop loss hunting bull line. It will be roaming here and there around this line. And below, if Vodafone share breaks down, demand zone 2 and strong demand zone at 6.28 is there. So it is better if you want to make an entry, you have to make either if there's a good bounce back, big candle and strong volume, at least for 1 day. If it sustains, you can take entry at heavy demand zones or at any demand zones. In between, you can better avoid taking any entry, or at stop loss hunting line. If it is bouncing back with big candle and strong volume, you can take. Now we will see if at all what will be the upside targets if Vodafone share recovers. Before that, please subscribe and like without fail. I'm not compelling you, but I know definitely you'll come back and refer my levels. These are all supply and demand concept, based on supply and demand concept, without any indicators, no noises, no indicators. Whenever you come back, don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'm Ganesh Babu, GB Investor Zone. Disclaimer, I'm not a semi-registered share market consultant. This is purely based on education purpose video only. These are all the benefits of watching my channel. Whatever benefit I got after changing from indicator based trade to supply and demand based trade and investment, these benefits I have got. These are all the share list where you can have a look in my playlist purely based on supply and demand only, and I will at the end of the video I will tell how to take entry at breakout strategy. Now the upside targets, if Vodafone share gives a breakout with big candle and strong volume above the supply zone 1, then it may go up to heavy demand zone at 11.83, above which Vodafone share, if it gives a good breakout, big candle and strong volume, there is a downward trend line, 1 day downward trend line, and there is a strong supply zone also. So it will be a very good resistance there. So you have to be careful there. About strong supply zone, generally at strong supply zone, it will be roaming here and there at least for 2-3 days. If Vodafone share gives a strong breakout with big candle and strong volume above my strong supply zone, it may target my next supply zone 2, and above which there's a stop loss hunting line. Only if it is crossing my supply zone 1 with big candle and strong volume, then you can make an entry. Or whenever Vodafone share falls at demand zones and gives a bounce back, as I told, big candle, at least for minimum 4 hours candles, big candle and strong volume, and gives a bounce back, then you can take an entry. Now I will explain with my live example. I mean, already I given some list of shares. You can see this is Bank Bajaj Auto. You can see on Monday 16th I published the video. You can go and refer in the playlist. Demand zone 1, it has taken support 1, big candle, strong volume. But exactly at my supply zone 1, it could not go above. Next hour candle, you can see big candle, strong volume, it bounced back above my reversal line and supply zone 1. 2, you can see strong volume, big candle, then it touches the all-time high, and I actually gave a target of 3. It may touch target around this line. So you can see 3. After on 18th, it has achieved my target. And again it came back. Again it took some support at my supply zone, because once the supply zone is taken out, it will become a support zone, demand zone. So even you can see, if you have doubt, you can go and refer my previous videos also. Bank Nifty also, I gave 13th published the video exactly at my strong supply zone. It found resistance. As I told, whenever strong supply zone is encountered, it will take some liquidity at that. It will take time to negotiate those sell orders. Then it will bounce back. So up to 17th, it was roaming there only. If you want more, you can see Paytm I released on 31st. You can see demand zone 1, 3, 4 days. It took demand support at my demand zone 1, and you can see 2. It bounced back, gave a breakout above my heavy supply zone, went up to my supply zone 1. So you can go and refer my previous videos. Supply and demand zone 94% success rate is there. This is SBI share. So this is the power of supply and demand. Please share, like, and subscribe without fail. Thank you.